Mushroom and snow pea green curry. Prepare the ingredients. Slice 3 large mushrooms into 1 cm slices. Remove the strings of 1 handful of snow peas. Prepare 1 tablespoon of green curry paste and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Pick the leaves off 1 small bunch of mint. The ingredients are now ready to cook. Place the sliced mushrooms into a hot frying pan and cook over a high heat. Meanwhile, heat a wok on a high heat and add a splash of homemade coconut milk. Add the curry paste and mix well. Add the remaining homemade coconut milk. Turn the mushrooms over when golden brown. In the wok, add the peas and stir over a high heat. Add the soy sauce. Add the snow peas and cook for 1 minute. To serve, place some peas and curry onto a plate. Then place the mushrooms over the top. Finish with some fresh mint and serve with cooked brown rice.